you ready for 2013 and all it has to offer? How do you know? The reason I'm asking is part of being ready is being prepared for the things that come up that you really can't prepare for. Ironic, I know. You know, this year I had a lot of hard-hitting things happen to me. I mean, it wasn't crisis, but it was. I had a flood in my house that ruined my office. The following week, just when I had decided I was going to rebrand my entire business, all my WordPress sites were hacked. And it was terrible. But you know what? You didn't notice because I didn't miss a beat. And that's because I prepare. I have a lineup of great opportunities and offerings to help people get where they want to be when it comes to their marketing and making more money and saving more time. But it all starts with a small thing that I started doing just before all of this crisis things happened to me. I do this every 6 months, and it really makes a difference to my business. What is it? I clean out my business. And I use a method that I want to share with you in Operation Clean Out. I mean, think about it for a minute. If you rely on SEO to get more traffic to your site, for people to find you to subscribe and ultimately become your customers, and Google decides to change their algorithm, and gee, they did it at least a couple times this year, and I know, as I've been hearing through the grapevine, it's going to happen again very soon in early 2013. What is going to happen if Google slaps you and you lose your search engine rankings? Or what if you have a family emergency that comes up and you have to be pulled away from your business for a couple days or even a couple of weeks? How are you going to handle that? If you prepare by knowing what you have and knowing what you can offer at any time, you are going to find no crisis is going to touch your business. And I want to help you get there with my exclusive Operation Cleanout method. In this, you get 5 training videos. 5. And you will be able to do homework, little assignments to help you through the entire process. Send your homework to me, and I will provide you with exclusive feedback, just personalized for you. So if you are looking to make a huge difference and eliminate all the ups and downs that can happen in your business, it's time for a clean out. Join me for Operation Clean Out today. And here's the best part. You choose the price. Instead of me telling you how much you have to pay for something, I'm giving you the option of naming your price. So all you have to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page, choose your price with that nifty little slider, and you will get your first lesson right away. Clean up your business, get it ready for 2013, and make a huge difference. Get more focused, get streamlined, and get ready for more profits in 2013.